I'm going to show you how to create your own Seesaw account. First, you're going to want to go to app.seesaw.me and click I'm a teacher. Now, you're going to want to click the Create Account button and fill out your information and select Create Teacher Account. Once you have created your teacher account, then you can sign in by the Google sign-in. It will take you to your brand new Seesaw account, and I already have a class, so it's popped up, but what will pop up for you is this that says create your own class. All you have to do is name your class, whatever you would like, select your grade level, and click the green button. From here, you can explore by clicking the Add button to post something for your students to see, to send an announcement, or even assign activities. This is the same thing that your students would do to add their own work as well. Now we're going to add our students.